Wainwright
and Kylie Rowe.
We decided to celebrate National Desserts Day together because we both like chocolate.
I love chocolate.
I am a chocoholic. So we are here at Ethel M's Chocolate Factory.
So this factory is located actually in Henderson, Nevada, and it's huge.
It is, it's huge. And they recently expanded to include a cactus garden, right?
Yeah, there's this amazing botanical cactus garden, and there's 300 species of desert plants here, so get your chocolate and your succulent fix.
And they have, they decorated every holiday, so they have 500,000 lights, so you can come down, bring the family, and check out the chocolate factory. They do wine tasting, and fun fact about the Ethel M factory is that it's originally in Nevada. We were chosen because you know why, right? They could fill it with liquor.
Right.
They could put some liqueur chocolates out there. So we're gonna go inside and see how much content we can do before getting kicked out.
Best news ever, Ethel M
produces
the Snicker bar.
Do they really?
Yeah, it's crazy. And guess what? They create a 1 pound Snicker bar.
Are we gonna get one? Can we get one today?
I think we need to go back in there and get
go.
one. But what I'm gonna say is, this is a 1 pound bar that is handmade. It's not factory made.
I love that. And they're in there right now. We're gonna post pictures. They're in there right now making chocolates.
This is a lot of chocolate.
We learned what the M stands for in Ethel M's. Do you want to tell them?
The M, so Mars, the owner of the Mars
I had no idea.
Owns Ethel M,
Yep.
and Ethel M produces the chocolate for Mars bar.
Do you know how long this has been here?
How many years?
38 years. 38 years.
38 years strong in good old Henderson, Nevada.
Yep, Henderson, Nevada. Everything that's good is in Nevada, so it makes sense.
Shipping chocolate all over the world. Hey, Natalie.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for celebrating National Dessert Day with me.
You know what? I couldn't think of anybody I'd rather spend it with.
But quick question.
Yeah.
White chocolate, dark chocolate, or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate around some almonds is my favorite. How about you?
Dark chocolate with peanut butter, please.
That's one of my favorites. That's my favorite ice cream. Are we gonna go in and have some chocolates now? Because you've been making me hold out and make content.
Well, you know, you gotta have your fruits and veggies every day.
Yeah.
And
your chocolate.
Chocolate,
right.
as we know, actually comes from
a cocoa plant.
A cocoa plant, which is technically fruit.
Where did you pick up that?
How do you know that?
Where'd you pick up that little nugget?
I came slightly prepared for this.
You totally just heard it from the guy on the inside that told us.
Hey,
blew both
I don't
of our
know.
Minds. All right, we're gonna go satisfy that sweet. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.